Today we're on the Upper East Side of Manhattan. We're on 5th Avenue, that's why I wore my fancy hat. And we're about to go take a look at a full floor apartment that is just under $7 million, and it has the most fabulous green wallpaper in the dining room. Let's go take a look. Come this way. We are looking now to Central Park. Gorgeous living room, sitting room here. Look at this absolutely stunning decor. And right here is Central Park, 1067 5th. Okay, and then from the green room, you go to the blue room. Look at this high gloss paint. Really cute New York City kitchen. Pretty farmhouse sink, nice and white. Tons of cooking space.